Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making honey pepper chicken wings. Sweet, savory with a little kick of heat. These wings are juicy, crispy, and packed with flavor. They are super easy to make at home and perfect for sharing. Today I will show you how to make this delicious dish step by step. Let's get started. First, soak the chicken wings in clean water. This helps remove any frozen odor and the birty taste from the wings. We will also add a bit of salt to the water. After mixing the salt and water well, let the wings soak for a while, then set them aside for later use. First, prepare green onions and cut them into 1 to 2 inch. You can use more green onions based on your preference. Then mince the ginger. First, mince the garlic. Finally, shred the shallot. Take out the chicken wings that were set aside earlier. You can gently press them with your hands to help release any remaining blood, which helps reduce the gamey smell. Then remove the wings from the water and pat them dry. A dry surface helps the chicken wings absorb the marinade better. Next, lightly score the chicken wings with a knife. This not only helps the marinade penetrate better, but also reduces the chance of the chicken wing being undercooked, as the cuts allow heat to reach the center more effectively during frying. Now we can start to marinate the chicken wings. First, put the chopped ginger into the bowl, shallot, green onion, garlic, crack an egg, then sugar, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, rice wing. Mix it all together. I can smell the onions and garlic flavor now. I believe that this dish will release lots of different aromas and be tasty. When the marinade is mixed into the chicken wings, we can put it into the fridge and let it rest for at least 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, put out the marinade chicken wings from the fridge. We have to add the black pepper into it and then mix it well. Finally, put the cornstarch, flour, rice flour. Mix it all together as well. Now we can take the chicken wings to another plate without marinade. See, the chicken wings are coated with the marinade sauce and release the marinade flavor. Prepare the oil and heat it up to 170 degrees. When the oil is ready, we can put the chicken wings into the oil and let them deep fry for around 3 to 4 minutes and keep the oil around 160 to 170 degrees. After 4 minutes, the chicken wings become golden. Put it on the plate and rest for a while. Now we have to heat up the oil to 180 degrees and then deep fry the chicken wings again. This process can force out the extra oil from chicken wings inside. Around 30 seconds, put the chicken wings outside. Finally, we have to prepare the sauce. Use low heat up the pan and add the butter. When the butter is melted, we can add the black peppers, honey, and stir it well together. Put the chicken wings into the pan and stir it as well. And we are done! The chicken wings look amazing. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and coated in that sweet and peppery glaze. This is a simple dish anyone can make at home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.